Hey folks, welcome back to the channel here. Yeah, out here in our Volkswagen CC project car, found a nice little vacant parking lot just to take a few shots of what she looks like under full sun. It's a little cloudy today, but well, I tell you what, you really can't make out any kind of damage on this car other than just a little bit over that driver's side fender where she got tinged. And I think our little pull out dent repair did an okay job. But you know, for a black car, it really doesn't look bad. I'll jump over here. Now it's a little bit dirty. I know, I'm out here driving around on the highway and everything. And so the passenger side, the side we thought was going to be the easier side, still got the glue from the paintless dent removal and everything, but it's kind of wrinkly over there. But you get back a little ways here, and not too bad. So we're going to drive this car just a little bit more, and then we'll probably put it up for sale sometime in the spring. But yeah, she's all done. I mean, this is everything fixed, everything works. Got to charge the AC system, so I'll do that when it gets a little warmer. We're going into January now, so. And then obviously the retracting sun visor thing for the pop-up sun canopy needs to be repaired. But other than that, no codes, no flashing lights, nothing going on. We fixed our key coding problem. She's just drives perfectly. So much smooth lineal power on the highway. Very quiet. The suspension is one of the things that I'm just totally amazed with this car. It handles so well, and it is so smooth. Yeah, it's the Cadillac of Volkswagens, and I've seen one other one in town. Everything else are Passats, and we have a lot of Teslas here. A lot of people going hybrid and electric now. But as far as Volkswagens, I've seen one other one of these in town, and it's a white one. So we have a black one here, and we have a white one. And the white one actually, I think, is the Sport. It has like the 5-star wheels or something like that. But yeah, so I guess we just we'll keep on playing around with these dents on the rear. But you can't tell when you're standing back or you're driving down the highway. You can't tell. That car is so shiny, and that paint is so polished up, and the ceramic coat that we've put on it. So anyway, just an update, just a real quick video here, just to catch you up. And like I said, I just wanted to get a view of where it's not inside my shop, when under the fluorescent lights and everything. Now we're standing out here in a nice vacant little parking lot over here by the airport, and whew, look at the shine of that black. And I'll tell you, the trim on the chrome and the wheels, they're not chrome wheels. They're like the polished aluminum. And then just the way they've done the just all the trim, all the chrome trim and everything like that is just really, 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 really nice. So enough on this one. We'll pick it up in another video when we're back home. Take care, folks.